Good morning everybody, welcome here to another video. I'm starting this vlog on a Monday. It's a fresh week, new start, lots of things to do. So if you'd like to see what I get up to this week or for the next couple of days, then please keep watching. So as I said, it's a Monday morning, it's about 10 o'clock and Aaron and I have a day off today. And we have a lot of chores to do, starting with having to go to the bank, the post office. We need to do our food shop. I think we want to go out for breakfast. So yeah, there's just a lot to do. Oh, what is that? There's just a lot to do around the house basically. So I thought I would start the vlog here, see how I get on with it, see whether it's going to be a daily vlog or a weekly vlog or a couple of days. I'm not totally sure as to like how much footage I get, but I thought I would start anyways. One of the vlogs actually went up this morning, so I'm on a roll again. Let's get ready to leave. I need to write out the letter that I need to post, so let's do that first. We're out for breakfast. We got our breakfast. Aaron has like a breakfast for about 10 people. That's alright. I'm just gonna eat it all. But yeah, let's dig in. We are on the way to Aldi now to do the food shop for a second. And I don't want to get copyrighted, so that's why I put it in.
That's a chill though.
We popped into Penny's for a second because I just wanted to get some more hair rollers because I only have like small ones. So I got some big ones and I got 2 swimsuits, so I need to try them on when I get home and see what they're like. But yeah, we're going to Aldi to do the food shop now, and I also need to return my Pretty Little Thing order at the garage, so let's go and do that, and I'll probably do a food haul when we get home to show you what we got.
Keep the car straight for the week.
We got the food shop. We're home. Do you want to put them in? These oven rolls, grapes, hummus, grated cheese, these thin things, some pasta, steak, ham, chicken, more chicken, and some feta cheese, broccoli, and bananas, and yogurt, and some sandwich fillers, raspberries, salad, strawberries, and some wipes. Got some birthday cards and envelopes, and some shampoo, deodorant, and hairspray, and shaving foam. Lots of things. But yeah, let's put it all away now. The cards? Yeah. It is now the next day and it's literally like there 12:06 and I'm feeling a bit like meh today. I'm not sure why. I'm kind of just tired and I'm really sore because I started to do Pilates yesterday and I haven't worked out in forever. And you know when you start to work out, the next day you literally cannot move. So yeah, I'm not feeling the best today. Everything is sore. I didn't think that like 20 minutes of Pilates would actually do anything, but my arms, my stomach, my legs, everything is sore. I do need to do it again today, so I'll get my yoga mat out in a few minutes and I'll do it again, because I know that it won't hurt over, you know, a little while when I do it. But yeah, I've just been kind of lazing around. I had my breakfast. I'm in the living room just watching YouTube. I'm looking at people's Barcelona vlogs, because in a couple of weeks, a few weeks, we're heading on holidays, and the first kind of destination that we're going to is Barcelona. We're literally going to be there for about a day, but I'm just kind of looking to see what people recommend and where people go, because I have never been to Barcelona. I always wanted to go, but I don't know anything about it. So if you have been to Barcelona and have any recommendations for like dinner or places to see, as I said, we will literally be there for one full day, so not too long at all. So what are like the must see places? So yeah, if you know, let me know. The postman made me get up just now because I got a little parcel, and it is from YSL. I love YSL so much, but this is one of their Rouge Percature, the Slim Collector. So it's like a leather matte lipstick, but it's one of those slim ones. It is stunning. It says 2024, so they literally probably only came out, but this is what it looks like. And it is so cool. That shade is stunning. It is Fiery Vermilion, if that's how you pronounce that, but it is stunning. I might swatch it for you. That would be so nice for holidays. Oh my gosh, look at it. So it is like it's not a red, it's not an orange, it's kind of an in-between. It's kind of like a brick red orange. I love it so much. I can't wait to wear this. So stunning. Thank you very much for that. I can't wait to do like a reel with this or something. That would be fab for like a date night or something. But yeah, that's basically it. I'm not really doing anything today, I don't think. I still need to go out and learn how to drive our new car. I know how to drive it. I've driven it a few times now, but it's the parking, because my Golf was an easy parker. And this thing, it's like a Dublin bus. So I need to learn how to drive it. So I need to go out probably today or tomorrow and basically just like go around car parks and park. But yeah, let's go and watch some vlogs. Day, and I thought I would show you the pictures that I've printed recently, and I really want to put them into frames and then put them on the wall someday, but I kind of don't want to leave them lying about without them being in the frame so they don't get ruined. So I thought I'd do that together with you, because I don't know, just want to show you them. But this is the first print. It's like a canvas painting kind of, so that's what that looks like. And then the other one, so they're very similar to each other, so that's good because then they'll be going beside each other. But The frames that I got are these from IKEA. This is what they're called. And I just really like them because the wood colour is really nice, the shade of it. So yeah, let's unpack these. I have 2 of these obviously. Let's unpack them and put the pictures inside. That way they're ready to go up. Aaron's doing the cameraman. Perfect. Okay, that's enough now. I also have... Alright, okay, they get it. They understand it now. Beautiful.
Of course, then I say you can't use it.
I will.
You can.
I can. I have it monetized that it's not for children.
Like a Yorkie, it's not for girls.
There you go.
There you go. There you have it.
I need to film 2 styling reels. I need to get milk in the shop and I need to work out.
Work out.
Work out. I got a little parcel this morning from Clout & Beauty and they're doing their Alpha H serums, buy one get one free. So if you're on the lookout for one, they have a wide range of them. If you're looking for one, definitely pick them up now because they're literally like 50. I think this one's like $59.95 and this one's $54.95 or something like that. So they're fairly expensive for what they are. So definitely would pick one up now so you can get a second one free. So yeah, just thought I'd let you know. I'm gonna leave the link to them in the description box and my discount code in case you want to get a discount as well. And yeah, happy shopping. This is the one that I got, Hyaluronic 8 Super Serum and then the Vitamin C Serum. So yeah, very excited to try them out. Thank you Clout & Beauty for sending that over to me. Fit check. What are you wearing?
Gangster.
North Face. Gangster. We are second-hand tools and clothes.
Yeah.
See, and you're always moaning you don't have any work trousers. You could come here.
Shut up.
And get some second-hand trousers.
Smell bag as I've been wearing them before me.
Yeah.
So we're not going to that coffee shop room.
No, what? No,
That's
but
not
the
bad.
other one. We are going to a coffee shop. I'm aware you can't really see me, but because it's super sunny. But we're going to a coffee shop that I've wanted to go to for what feels like forever, and Aaron's finally bringing me to it. So let's go and see what they have. You can see the workwear behind me.
Stand this first.
Yeah,
I don't know.
And you take streets and stuff for it.
No, the company.
We got our coffee. We got our coffee. They're very cute. Oh my god, so cute. I just filmed a outfit reel with this denim jacket. How nice is this? It's from the walk-in wardrobe. They're on Instagram. I'll leave a link to this down below. But it is so nice. I know that everybody is wearing leopard print now, and that leopard print is back in fashion, and I love this so much. So keep your eyes peeled for the post when it comes out so you can see what it looks like on. But it is so nice, and I'm so excited to have it in my wardrobe. So let's pop that in there. I need to do like a declutter, I think, because I feel like I have so many clothes that I just don't wear. So yeah, it's in there now. Fits perfectly. But yeah, I filmed that, so I'm gonna go in downstairs and edit that. I think we're gonna watch a film because Aaron's off today. And yeah, that's kind of it for the end of the day. I still need to do our bed. I need to do our bedding later on when it comes out the wash. But that's kind of all we're going to be doing today. Hello everybody. So it is currently a little bit later, and by a little I mean about 2 weeks later. The reason for me to like not finishing it and basically not uploading it the last 2 weeks is that if you've been a OG viewer of mine, you know my cat Tiga, the brown cat that I had. Yes, Tiga sadly had to be put to sleep. So as you can probably imagine, from how close I was with her and how she was literally my best friend, so that kind of turned my world upside down a little bit. And that's why I just basically wasn't in the mood to vlog or finish the vlog. So yeah, so Tiga is no more, which is super sad. I miss her so much, but she was really sick and there was nothing we could have done for her basically, so it was the best thing we could have done. But yeah, that is kind of it. I'm gonna finish the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm actually not sure what footage I have because, as I said, I haven't looked at it in what feels like forever. I'm gonna have a look at it now, but I really hope you enjoyed it anyways, and I will be back very soon with another video. Bye!